In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make your GitHub repository public. This process is simple and quick, making it effective for those who want to share their projects more openly and invite collaboration or input from others in the community. Whether you're keen on sharing your latest coding project with potential employers or looking for feedback from fellow developers, making your repository public is a great first step. Let's dive right in. The first thing you'll need to do is open up GitHub by navigating to the website in your preferred internet browser. Once you're on the main GitHub page, you'll want to ensure you're logged into your account. If you're not, go ahead and enter your login details, your username and password, and sign in. You'll be greeted by your personalized dashboard full of updates and repositories related to your interests and work. Next, make your way over to your profile. You'll usually find a little icon or avatar at the top right corner of the screen. Go ahead and click on that, and a drop-down menu will appear. From here, select Your Repositories. This is where all the projects you've been working on are categorized, and you'll get a neat list of everything. Find the repository that you wish to make public. Once you've located it, click on it to open up the repository page. This page will have all the information about your project, including files, commits, and a lot more. But for today, we're zeroing in on the settings. In the upper menu of your repository page, you'll find a tab labeled Settings. It might be towards the right side of your screen. Click on Settings, and it will take you to a new page. This page is all about configuring and customizing your repository, and you'll see a lot of different sections. Focus on the left menu under the General tab. Scroll down this page until you reach the bottom, and you should see an option to change visibility. This section manages whether your repository is public or private. Since we want to make this project accessible to everyone, we need to change the setting to public. Click on Change Visibility and you'll see an option that says Change to Public. Select that option and confirm your decision in the pop-up that appears. Just like that, you're done. Now your repository is public and ready for anyone to explore. Making your repository public is a simple yet significant step in engaging with the GitHub community. By sharing your code, you open up a pathway to collaboration, feedback, and greater visibility in the world of software development. Happy coding, and see you in the next video.